Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your EC2 instance through WinSCP. So let's get started. So the first thing we need is WinSCP. You can download WinSCP by searching download WinSCP for Windows and uh, by clicking on this button and downloading the WinSCP. I have already downloaded it and installed it in my system. The next thing you need is a working EC2 instance. So let me create a EC2 instance. I've already logged in my AWS console. I have searched EC2 and here I have to click on launch instance. I'll specify my instance name here. I'll scroll down, I'll select Linux, which is coming as by default. I'll not make change anything here. Let it be T2 micro as it is under free tier. This is the important part. I'll click on, I need this key pair for login purpose. So I'll click on create new key pair. I'll enter the key pair name. Let's say it is key pair and I'll select .ppk format. So this is needed if you need to connect it through WinSCP or PuTTY. If you want to connect it through terminal, you can use OpenSSH1.pem. So I'll click on create key pair. It will be automatically downloaded. I'll scroll down. I'll not make change anything here. I'll click on launch instance. So my instance will be created in 1 minute. The next step is to connect to the instance. For that, let me open the WinSCP. The WinSCP is opened here. To connect to an EC2 instance, you have to click on new tab and let's click on new site. Here we have to enter these details, host name, username, etc. So let me go back to my EC2 instance. It is up and running now. I'll click here. So this is the public IP address or the public DNS name that I need for like that I'll copy it from here and put it in host name. Now what will be the username? So the username will not be your username with that you have a login. Just click on connect. Here you can see your username is mentioned, EC2 user. Your public IP address is also there, so you can use this one as well. So you have to enter EC2 user here. Now, we'll not be entering any password as we'll be using our key value pair, the PPK that we have downloaded, and it is downloaded and stored in download section. You can see it here, it is right here. So I will click on advanced and I'll search for authentication. Here in the private key file, I'll click on these three dots to browse to my download section and I'll select my key pair. I'll click on open. It will be selected and then I'll click on OK. Just let me save it for my future reference. You can save it. Let me just verify everything. So FTP is selected, 22 port number is selected, and let me log in. It will ask for confirmation. I'll click on accept and I've successfully logged into my EC2 instance. Also, WinSCP provides some features, something like if I click here, it will open the terminal for me, basically a shell session. And here I can write my commands like ls. I can also connect through PuTTY through WinSCP only, but the PuTTY should be installed in your system, then only it will work. So you can see now I have logged in into my EC2 instance through PuTTY. I can write the same command here, it will work perfectly fine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my other videos for more tech tips and tutorials.